This is probably never going to be easier than right now, because if at any point anyone can just use this app to make hundreds if not thousands of dollars a day, then I don't think anyone would actually go and build an actual business. But anyone could just learn to use this free app. So while it still lasts, in this step-by-step tutorial, I want to show you how complete beginners and teenagers are using this free app to make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per day without selling any product, without building a website, or without showing their face. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you this app that can possibly generate you $700 per day. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So this is the app right here, it's called the Munch. So let's talk about what Munch can do. Munch can extract the most engaging and impactful clips from your long form videos. So first, let's go ahead and look at this channel right here. So this user right here has over 47k followers, and as you can see, it's just reposting podcast. So the most important thing to note here guys is that your content must be produced by a real person. As you could go ahead and see, this podcast are real. They are just adding engaging subtitles, engaging stock footage, and more. Recently, TikTok has been removing a lot of accounts that is only using AI. For example, if your content is just revolving around AI voices, AI images, AI voiced actors. So just an example, this is the type of videos that I'm talking about.
Donald, can you borrow me some money, please? I need to buy a house, but I'm short $1 million.
No, Sleepy Joe, I'm broke also.
Wait, Trump, aren't you?
If you are posting these types of videos, I'm pretty sure your account can remove really fast. So once again, by using Munch, you can go ahead and extract engaging contents from different podcasts, and your account will not be removed by YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Shorts, or TikTok. So first, let's go ahead and talk about what Munch can do. So with Munch, it is an all-in-one platform, automatic editing, auto caption generating, post content and publishing all in one convenient, intuitive tool. So for example, if you go ahead and produce content here, your content can instantly be posted in your TikTok or YouTube Shorts if you go ahead and link your account using Munch. AI-driven editing. Munch is centered around extensive machine learning capabilities, designed to keep what's important at the center of each videos. We also have the Ride the Trends here. You will get clips with the highest potential to trends on social media. So let's go ahead and browse some more. We have here the distill context from your long form content. Munch extracts the most engaging conceptual nuggets from your long form content and presents you with the coherent shareable clips. As you can go ahead and see, this uses an AI. It will go ahead and produce you subtitles. It will go ahead and produce you stock footages and more. And as I've mentioned earlier, we have keep things focused on any platform. Munch AI will ensure that the content is clipped and adjusted to both have action at the center of the frame, and ideal for any platform. And once again, get instant social posts based on your video content. Your video is analyzed for topic, theme, and context, and Munch will generate specific posts for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. So moving forward, let's just go ahead and click on logged in right here. You can just go ahead and use your Google account for this one. So right now we are inside munch.com and you will be presented with this page. You can go ahead and test this out if you are curious enough. But for this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how powerful this AI tool is. So we're gonna go ahead and click on the add icon right here. So I found this video right here, Discipline Yourself, Best Motivational Speeches by Jordan Peterson. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and copy this and you want to paste it inside Munch. So after pasting it inside Munch, we will now be presented with this multiple statistics right here. For the first one, we have our keyword search volume. So in this video, we have a lot of Jordan Peterson keyword. You can go ahead and see the search volume right here. It's around 3 million people that is searching around that keyword. and we have a munch clip around Jordan Peterson of 10 clips, and the competition for that specific keyword is low. So this is really important to know what is the most trending keywords out there. So for example, if you are posting a keyword of right here, own behavior, you will not get as much as traffic as our first keyword right here, Jordan Peterson. So you have to take that in note. So this is our clip right here. We have our title. Here are the keywords for that specific clip. We have high searches for this specific clip also. And this clip will absolutely get you trending. We have our main topic here, disease and condition, executive leadership and management, and we also have our time in source right here. So as the AI said, this clip is created for YouTube Shorts because in its algorithm, it is best suited for YouTube Shorts. So let's just go ahead and click on edit right here because we can still go ahead and edit this out. So right now we are inside the video editor, and for some reason I'm getting this unexpected error. The video is not showing up for me, but I'm just going to show you the tools that we have right here. For the first one, we have our subtitles. We can just go ahead and see it right here. We have our auto highlight, and of course you could go ahead and edit your subtitle. For the second tab, we have our style. You can specifically personalize your own subtitle, or you can go ahead and choose the presets that we have right here. For the second one, we have the template. There's multiple templates that you could go ahead and choose from. Well, to make things easier, they have this full template that we have right here. We have Garnier, Hormozo, Rogano, Talkie. In my opinion, Hormozo works the best for me. So just go ahead and choose your preferred template. After that, we also have our auto title right here, which will go ahead and generate you your title. And we have our aspect ratio. We have here 16:9, which is the original aspect ratio for most videos. And we also have here the 9:16, which works best for Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Shorts. And lastly, you have your cropping here. You can go ahead and crop your clip if you find something unnecessary within that clip. So going back, we also have our integrations like here as I've mentioned. You could directly connect your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, so when you use Munch, it will automatically post within your connected account. And lastly, we could talk about the 1 billion TikTok Creator Fund. So you could just go ahead and use Munch until you become eligible enough to be part of the TikTok Creator Fund. So we have here the eligibility. First, you must be 18 years or older. Second, your TikTok account must be active and must obey policies within TikTok. Third, your TikTok account should gather 10 authentic followers. Fourth, your TikTok account must gather 100,000 authentic total video views in the last 30 days or prior. And lastly, of course, you must have an eligible payment method. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.